This video is going to take a look at embedding and linking inside of Canvas. Now, oftentimes, when someone's referring to embedding and linking inside of Canvas, they're thinking about these icons up here, as well as the Apps button. And these are actually the first place you want to start when embedding and linking inside of Canvas. However, sometimes these things might not work properly, or the services they link to might be down when you're trying to put your content into Canvas. So this is kind of a way to get around that and provide the students with the links and information, even though it might not be working 100% proper. So to get started, the first thing we're going to look at is embedding a YouTube video. Up here at the top, I found my YouTube video from the wonderful WNN at Westwood. What we're going to do is I'm going to grab the URL from either this space here at the top, or you can simply come down to Share, find the same thing here, and click Copy. Now with that link copied, we're going to go back into Canvas, and I'm just going to put some text in here. Now I've got my text in here. I'm going to highlight it. Now I am going to use the link button for this example. And if I paste my link inside of the link section in here and hit done, you'll notice two things. Number one, it's hyperlinked the text for WNN, and it has told me that at YouTube, they're going to go ahead and try to embed the video into my content box. So if I scroll down and hit save, I've now got two things happening. Number one, if I click on the video, it has it embedded and it'll play inside of my Canvas browser. Additionally, if I click on the words that I hyperlinked, it'll take me to another tab where the video will play. Now, there's only a couple of problems with this. Sometimes embedding a video in this way can mess up any text you've created or move your page around in a way you didn't intend. So oftentimes we do suggest using the other options, such as the apps up here in the top right, to embed YouTube videos, but this is a way to kind of get around it if that icon isn't working properly. Now let's go ahead and take a look at another way. Additionally, if you're not using something as obvious as a YouTube video, maybe let's say a Quizlet, what you can do is you can actually embed different pieces of content from different websites into your Canvas rich content page. So here I'm on my Quizlet, and in the bottom right there's a couple of lines here. And then if I scroll down to embed and click it, it's going to give me a code. Now lots of websites will actually offer these codes, so it's good to kind of look around and see if there's any icons that say embed or copy HTML. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this really quickly. I'm going to go ahead and copy it. I'm going to come back into Canvas, and here's the trick. Down here in the bottom right, there's a little icon that says Raw HTML Editor. What you can do is click on that icon, and it'll look like not much has changed except for the top bar going away. Well, here's why this is helpful. If I paste that content that I just copied from Quizlet into the Raw HTML Editor, I can actually switch back to the Rich Text Editor view, and you'll notice now that Quizlet has been embedded in my Canvas. And I can actually make some adjustments to it in here if I needed to, moving it around and things. But I can also come back to the Raw Editor view, and I can make adjustments to the width and the height just by typing in different numbers. So if I wanted to do something like this, I certainly could. And come back and you can see it's changed the size and shape inside of my Rich Content Editor. Now obviously I'll need to save this in order to save any changes. But there you go. There's a quick way to embed and link content inside of Canvas if you find yourself having some struggles with the LTI apps or any of the integrated services. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.